Hey guys, Katie here, and I'm with Art from the licensing department.
Hello.
And we wanted to showcase today all of our new releases that are heading your way soon. All right, guys, up first is our new Auto Haulers Release 84.
We're starting with the 1979 Dodge 150 Power Wagon Pick-Me-Up and the 1969 Plymouth Roadrunner 440 6-pack. So let's crack it open and see how it looks.
So exciting.
Should be fun, should be fun.
These ones do come with the acrylic case included.
And then boom. And look at that. Nice 4x4 Goodyear tires, nice brown paint with the pick-me-up of what, 5 different colors on it? And then you have your Plymouth. Looks like an old junkyard that you're pulling up from the what? Well, from the junkyard.
From the junkyard.
Very nice, cool design. One of my favorites.
I like it.
And then next we have a nice, beautiful Ford to go with it. This is the 1964 Ford Econoline truck and 1974 Mustang Custom.
Love it. I love the red, white, and blue. Very patriotic.
Very. All right, let's open this. Let's take this out of the box. And boom, look at that. Nice red, blue, white with the white stripe all around the car with an extra spare tire. Nice little car hinge. And you have the Mustang, nice tucked away. Looks so good. Actually, which one do you like better? Which one would you go with?
Honestly, this one. I like a truck that'll move things.
And then finally, to complete this trio set, we have...
Now we're going to have the 1973 Chevy van, and it's going to come with the 1976 GMC Sierra Grande 15 Custom. I like this one because it comes with a little bit of attitude. Let's look on the back of these. Some interesting detail on the packaging there. I'm always very careful with the packaging. I'm one of those.
I'm not.
Art, you want to do the honors?
Always.
Just cracking it open.
There you go.
All right. Red and black, perfect for maybe a goth friend. And we have a little Grim Reaper on the side saying you're next. Maybe you're the next lucky one that's going to find the chase version of this one. These are slammed all the way to the floor. I know you guys like that. And it comes with a hitch as well. And the chase is going to be the same variation, except it's going to come with awesome gold detailing on the tires here and on the bumper. Look at that. 750 are going to be made. Are you going to find one? I hope so. And up next, one of our premium lines coming towards you. It's going to be the 32686. Art, take it away.
So first off, we have the 1971 Dodge Funny Car. This is a direct connection Mopar release theme. Nice hot pink by the looks of it.
Ladies.
All right, let's take a look at this. Take this off. And look at that.
Ooh.
That's a nice pink.
I love how those funny cars have the little... There we
There
go.
you go. Nice Goodyear theme. Nice direct connect from Mopar. Very cool car. Very cool. Next we have the Buick. Look at this. Regal Limited Buick. Nice baby blue by the looks of it. And I broke the packaging. You know what? Let's just rip the packaging. It's fine.
Rip into it.
All right, this is what? A 1987 Buick Regal.
Love that one.
I like this color. It's
That's a really nice color on that one.
So, next, what do we have?
That Mustang though.
Ooh, Mustang GT. Very nice, very nice. 1968 Mustang Ford GT. Yeah, I love the Mustangs. I'm more of a muscle car guy. So any muscle car, I'm always in for it. This one does have the opening doors, so you can actually see the inside of it and the opening hood. Very, very nice.
That's cool. I like the ones that do that because you can also do a little minifig diorama with them.
Oh yeah, definitely.
They're very, very cool. All right, guys. Up next, we're gonna have the 1957 Dodge Coronet police car. This one's very, very cool. I like the color on this one. This is an old casting that we are trying to bring back to life. So that seems like the plan the boys are going for these days. Let's see what we got here. Hey, I did it. All right, here we go. That one has a nice little detailing, safety patrol over here. A little light and a siren on the top. And the doors open.
Very cool. You know what this reminds me of?
Good.
It reminds me of like old school movies, like old school
I was gonna say
TV shows.
Ghostbusters.
Oh, there you go. There you go.
That looks really cool. I like that a lot. And don't forget, you got to check your speed. All right, I like that. All right, and then up next we have, what do we got here? Chevrolet Bel Air Classic. I love these ones. I love all the different types of detailing we can get on such a classic car.
Definitely.
Our designers are very, very creative.
The Bel Air is always such a good popular line.
It really is. I love it.
You know, with those blue flames.
Fiery blue flames up here. All right, let's check this bad boy out. Check those doors out. Oh, those seats look good. Does hood come up? Yes, it does. Little orange engine action there. See, the seats are right there. Don't be fooled by that gold grill. This one is not a chase. I know we're going to get questions in the comments. All right. That one's for you, and I'll do chase.
So this is a 1956 Ford truck. Let's crack this open. And there we go. Look at that. It's a Ford Custom. Very nice color, very nice interior. This has an opening hood, does not have opening doors. But you can see the hood from there. You know, and this also has a chase variant.
Look at that. Nice butter yellow with those gold rims and the gold bumpers. And again, the engine opens, but the doors do stay closed. No admittance. All right, up next is our newest driver, 11228. It's going to be released 124. This one is going to be available at Target, as well as our other mass retail friends and our hobby dealers. Let's get this box open, shall we?
Very excited to see what's inside this box.
I know. My husband always gets these when we go to the store. I don't know why. There's so many to choose from, and he just loves this line. Alrighty.
Ooh, look at that.
Those look good.
Pick that one.
This one?
Yeah.
All right. First, what do we have here? Oh, we got a 1966 Shelby GT350.
And we actually have it here unboxed.
There we go.
So we have the packaging and the car individually. Look at that.
Go.
With the race theme number 13, Goodyear tires, Shelby theme.
Taylor Swift would love that.
All right, let's see. What's next? What do we have?
Alrighty. Up next, let's see an Edelbrock detail. We got the Corvette, Chevy Corvette 427.
There we go. Nice Chevy theme, Edelbrock. Gotta love the number 3 on it.
I love that. Just one racing stripe.
This is one.
Mm-hmm.
Not a big fan of the 2 like the Shelby?
No, that one's classic, like a mohawk.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Nice, nice. What's next?
All right, up next, I'll do this gray one here.
Okay.
Oh, we got a 1966 Dodge Charger. It's a Hemi.
Nice.
Look at that.
Look at that. Nice, beautiful, gray painted, crane cams theme. Mm-hmm. Very nice color. Actually, I like this color better.
I do like that color a
nice
lot.
Color.
I like that. It's very fall. Mm-hmm. Very fun. Alrighty. And now we got a green one here.
Nice.
All right, 1959 GMC Fleetside truck. Very cool green color we got there.
Yes, with the white top on top of it. Look at
Mm-hmm.
that. Nice green color. Nice green premium paint. And
love
nice,
that.
White? Bright white? No,
Right.
Wimbledon white is what it is.
That's a tongue twister there.
I know.
Wimbledon white.
Which one is the chase?
That one is going to be this one.
That's right.
All right.
Now we don't have the packaging, but we do have the card here, and you get kind of, it's the same packaging,
Same packaging.
just different card.
Very rare car there. Very cool.
So this is our newest driver's release. Let us know if you find it on Target shelves or wherever they may be.
next is going to be the newest release from our Coke Premium. It's going to be 52500A52. And we're going to kick it off with
this one.
There
What
we
is
go.
this? This is the 1974 Mustang Mach 1.
Another
with
Mustang.
Nice Coca-Cola theme with a nice little gray bottle cap on the right. This might take me a while to open, so let's see how fast it goes.
1, 2, 3. Please be careful. Safety first, you guys.
There we are.
Okay.
And there we go. Nice and secure. Look at that. Now this one does have the opening hood, no opening doors, which is okay. But look at that. Nice Coke red body color. And you have a nice little Coke bottle at the very end. And you also have some Coke graphics on the top.
Love it.
Alright, what's next?
Up next, we're going to have very cool Dachshund Bluebird. This one's really cool. We don't really do this casting very often, but it's really, really cool. You can take care of that. I am accident prone.
Open there.
I really like the packaging on this one. Really dips into the Japanese culture. All right, there we go. All right, so we have the Dachshund here. We have some nice red circles on there with some Japanese lettering on the sides and on the top.
I believe some of the Japanese lettering means Coca-Cola, and one of them means good.
Well, Coca-Cola is good. Then we have the open hood right here. Again, the doors don't open, but a look into that engine is always nice. Very, very cool. I like this casting. We should do more often.
And
you guys think we should do this one more often? Let us know in the comments.
Don't forget that this car also has Yokohama tires on it as well.
Yokohama.
We love the people at Yokohama.
Very cool people.
What's next?
All right, this one is my personal favorite from this collection. It is a 1971 Chevrolet van. Look at all those flowers all around it. Pop that one open, Art. I love that one. And behind all of these are also the Chase variants of those. Each one has a Chase variant. Thank you very much. And this one has the real thing Coke logo, very classic. Very cool van here with the exhaust pipes on the bottom, I believe. Oh, cool. And a happy face. How very cool is that? I love this one. I have to try and find this one. And
I think I agree with you. I think this one's the best one.
that one's really cool.
I like the colors on that one.
I really like the color. It's very spring, unlike today. It's very snowy or rainy today.
Oh.
I can see the mountains.
Oh, yeah. But yeah, as Katie said, all of these do have special chases, each one. You know, it will be what, chrome red, I want to say?
That one has chrome red, this one has chrome red, and oh, they have chrome red!
Look, it's all chrome
How very
red.
cool is that?
I thought it was a different color, to be honest.
Nope.
No.
Nice cohesion right there in the A52 line. Alright guys, and here is our final release for this week. It's going to be Model Kit 76. Can't believe we're already in 76.
76?
I
Damn.
know. Jumping right into it, you guys are going to recognize this one. This is the one that Dev built in our video from earlier this week. This one is a 1958 VW Microbus 15 window. Check that out, all 15 windows. Nice little beach theme there.
You know what? I can totally see this down in Santa Monica, just like
Oh, for sure.
driving on next to the pier.
I'm sure there is one out
Oh,
there.
I'm sure there is.
We'll just have to go and check it out.
Oh, there you go.
All right, and then next we're gonna have, what do we have here? 1969 Chevrolet Camaro RSSS.
Nice.
Beautiful red color there. I love that. I love the different white and the darker options we have for the rims on these wheels here.
It is Edelbrock theme.
Edelbrock themes. Love Edelbrock. Very, very good licenser that we have here. This looks like it could be either on a racetrack or someone's garage being kept pristine.
You know what? Racetrack. You know, with all the different brands that Edelbrock has,
That's true.
I can see this definitely 100% on the racetrack, just going crazy at it. Very cool, very cool. I'm a Camaro fan, so that's my pick so far.
Vroom, vroom.
Next, we have this 40 Econoline, 1965. Very nice, sleek black with the pink stripe, which, you know,
I love that.
pink stripe, you know, it's not bad. I like the design of it. It's
Very
pretty
classy.
cool. But that's not all. The Chase version is also pink chrome.
Yes, I love that one.
Actually, this Chase version is actually pretty
That's
cool.
really cool. They did a great job on that
The
one.
Chase one is actually pretty cool compared to the
Very
regular. Like, I like both of them are great, but seeing that pink, that's just perfect. You know what? I just noticed the screwdriver is different.
Yeah.
I didn't know we did that. Oh,
Very cool. I like it. I like the differences. I like how the Chase has a lot more feminine features.
Mhm.
I love this one a lot.
No, it's very cool. Very cool chase. It's a very cool release. I'm very excited for it.
Very
Very
awesome.
Very great. Very great.
You can either build these or keep them in their packaging.
For me, I keep them in the packaging. I don't like to build them.
I don't. I like to get it in play. All right, guys, and that is it for our newest releases coming to you soon. Don't forget to comment below which one's your favorite. There's a lot to choose from this week.
I wouldn't even know which was my favorite. It's so much.
Oh, Flower Van, hands
Flower
down.
Van?
Flower Van, love it.
It's a
I
good
need to
one.
have
It's
it.
a good one.
I
I
love
think for
that one.
me, if I had to pick one out of this set, I would say this one.
Really?
I like the gray color on it. It really pops out.
That's surprising.
Yeah, I surprised myself.
Yeah.
But
All right, guys.
Do let us know if you found any of these out in the wild.
Mhm.
Please post your pictures everywhere. We do look at social media all the time.
And make sure to follow us on Instagram and on TikTok, and make sure you're in our group on Facebook.
Until then.
Bye, guys.